Hey guys, welcome to Creative Corner by Varsha and you are watching hashtag A to Z with Varsha. So today we will do letter C. I'm quickly starting with my Tombow brush pen. As you can see, I'm using a blank paper here. So with the help of ruler and pencil, I will quickly create guidelines. If you want, you can work on plain paper also. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm drawing 4 lines. The first one is ascender, second one is waistline, third one is baseline, and fourth one is descender. So this X is the height of our letter. And if you are using a big tip brush pen like Camlene, then I would suggest you to create bigger guidelines. Now starting our basic formation for lowercase letter C. First the entrance stroke and then letter C. For uppercase letters, starting with a thin stroke, then applying pressure, and again as we move up, we use a thin stroke. Now let's see a few flourishes. Okay, so the first one is quite easy. And for the second one, pay attention and move your hand slowly as I am moving my hand. Now here I am writing the letter C and then I will add flourishes using the thin stroke. And here I will add a hashtag to add small detail. Now let's see for the uppercase. The first one is a very pretty flourish. The second one is my go-to flourish that I mostly do. And for this one, I would suggest you to move your pen slowly to avoid any mess. And now we are done with letter C. And if this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching.